Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the GE Washer D5 error code for 2025. If your washer is flashing that frustrating D5 code, it usually means there's a problem with the drainage system, like a clog or a faulty pump. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the fixes step by step, so you can get your washer running smoothly again without calling a pricey repair service. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, unplug your washer from the power outlet to avoid any electrical mishaps. This simple step could save you from a shocking experience, literally. Once that's done, grab a flashlight and some towels because we're getting hands-on. Step 1. Check the drain hose. Locate the hose at the back of your washer and ensure it's not kinked, blocked, or improperly connected. Sometimes, a simple bend or a buildup of lint can trigger the D5 error. Straighten it out if needed, and make sure it's securely attached to the drain pipe. Next, up is step 2. Inspect the pump filter. Most GE washers have a filter at the bottom front or back. Unscrew the cover carefully. You might find debris like coins, hair, or fabric bits causing the issue. Use a small brush or cloth to clean it thoroughly, then rinse with water and let it dry. For step 3, reassemble everything. Plug the washer back in, and run a quick drain or spin cycle to test. If the D5 code persists, it might be a more serious problem like a faulty pump or sensor. Finally, if you follow these steps and the error won't budge, it's time to call in a professional. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues, so clean your filter every few months. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Let's keep those appliances humming.